Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing only what you need: a project folder with index, HTML and styles, CSS. Open that folder in Vscode and install Live Server if you don't have it. Once done, add the minimal HTML skeleton and link your style sheet in the head. You'll notice the link enables immediate styling. This lets you iterate quickly. Make sure file names match exactly, and save both files before launching Live Server, so the browser shows your initial page. Now you build the page structure and apply styles. You create semantic elements, header, main, footer, and assign classes or ID for targeted styling. In CSS, write rules for layout, typography, and spacing. Use Flexbox for common row or column layouts. Once you save, Live Server refreshes so you can see changes immediately. If something looks off, open DevTools to inspect computed styles and adjust selectors or specificity. This feedback loop speeds up finding and fixing mistakes. To finish, verify your styles and interactions across the page. You test navigation and make sure the style sheet link is correct. Relative paths matter. If styles don't appear, do a hard reload or disable cache and confirm Live Server is running. When problems persist, inspect elements to see which rule wins and adjust specificity, or use class-based selectors. Finally, keep changes small and test, often so you can backtrack easily if a layout or style regresses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.